Accessories are usually the last thing we think about. We put on a cute outfit, grab any bag, any earrings, and we're like, yeah, this will work. But accessories are actually the difference between you look cute and wait, who is she? So today I'm going to be showing you how to style accessories with intention, not randomly, but in a way that feels more like you. And with that being said, let's get straight into today's video. Also, real quick, if you want the notes plus the summary of this video, like something you can save on your phone or come back to later, you can get it by simply signing up to my newsletter. It's free and super easy to do. The link is in the description below. A statement piece doesn't mean big or loud, it means intentional. If you're quiet, soft, or elegant, your statement might be a sculptural gold earring, a silk scarf tied perfectly, a structured mini bag, and if you're bold, edgy, or expressive, your statement might be chunky rings, oversized sunglasses, and dramatic belts or hardware. Good styling lives in contrast. For example, a simple outfit plus bold accessories, soft fabrics plus a structured bag, and a feminine dress plus edgy boots. Here's an outfit idea. Add sharp black sunglasses, a structured bag, and statement earrings to this outfit. Now all of a sudden it's styled and not basic. Your bag is part of the outfit's story. A slouchy bag gives off a relaxed, cool girl vibe. A structured bag gives a polished and intentional vibe, and a mini bag gives off a playful and fashion-forward vibe. We can't not mention color balancing. I talk more about this in my wardrobe essentials and colors in fashion video, linked down below. Sunglasses are literally personality in frame form. A thin metal frame gives off an elegant, vintage, and a soft vibe. Chunky frames give off a bold, confident fashion girl vibe. Cat eye give off a feminine and playful vibe, whereas a rectangular shape gives off an edgy and modern vibe. And of course, face shape does matter, but comfort also matters more. And remember, if you feel confident in them, you'll wear them better. Shoes don't just change your outfit, they change how you walk. If you're uncomfortable, your posture changes, your confidence drops, and the whole outfit looks off. Every stylish girl has a signature style. Even if she doesn't realize it, it could be how you layer your necklaces, the bangles that make noise when you walk, or how you're always mixing gold and silver or oversized bags with minimal outfits. The trick is consistency. Context matters. If you're going to attend a gala, you'd go for something refined, and if you're going to a cafe, you'd wear something more casual. Understanding your undertones help you create harmony. Necklines decide necklaces, so if it ever feels off, it's usually the neckline, not the necklace. Your hair and earrings also work together. You'll wear different earrings for when your hair is down, in a ponytail, or braids. Remember, busy hair equals simpler earrings, and the simpler the hair, the more the earrings can shine. Rings are small but powerful because they give the eye a place to rest. Hair accessories are having a moment, and it's important to treat them like jewelry for the hair. Hats are practical and stylish. If the hat is bold, keep the earrings simple, and yes, they absolutely do hide bad hair days. Belts help shape the outfit. A fun styling idea would be to stack slim or mixed textures. It adds visual interest without overdoing it. If your outfit feels flat, don't change everything, just add the following. Monochrome outfits love one unexpected color. I talk more about this in my colors in fashion video. Remember, accessories aren't about rules, they're about expression. I hope you all found today's video to be helpful. Don't forget to grab the notes from the newsletter below. Make sure to subscribe for some new videos every week and some different types of videos every week, because we don't stick to the same videos here. I get bored easily.